All right, how's it going, YouTube? So this is the Arrma Limitless I got for 50 bucks. It was mangled up. I was gonna take my time with it, but it was just little minor things, and I said, let me get it. What I did was I went ahead and straightened the chassis. So I'm gonna just build it up how it is. If I'm getting problems with it, then I know it's the chassis. But for right now, it's just a quick fix. And I went ahead and threw that Monster X8S in here. It's just bashing gear, so that's the setup. I got them extra heavy duty dog bones, front and rear. Got that top plate. That's how she sit right now. I'm not gonna really run this body. I am gonna get the original body and keep this a Formula 1 car. I know everybody doing a GT, but I already got too much GTs, so I'm gonna just keep this. I do gotta get a wing mount. I don't have the wing. Well, I have the wing. I just need to mount that, go here, a few pieces. But I just wanted to get it out and run it and see how it's running with the chassis that I straightened, and then we'll go from there. So anyway, y'all stay tuned. Let me get it ready. Right now it's on 4S, so we gonna go ahead and see how it runs. All right, y'all. That's how she's sitting right now. Just doing some testing. Make sure everything is everything. Quick flybys. Y'all hit something down there. Sound good. Got a bunch of cones set up in here. I'm not sure why. Oh. Already about to break it, but she running good, man. Do got the sensor wire plugged in. I took this off the Habio. Does got a sensor on there, so. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, ain't I an idiot? Probably broke it right there. I ran right into the cone, y'all. What am I doing? Don't know how to handle the Limitless? All right, y'all. Nothing happened. Everything's still working, but my pinion did come off. So we're gonna have to redo this. Sorry about the noise, y'all. Anyway, we're gonna have to redo this. It was running good. I did hit that cone, popped up the thing right there. Got a little, ain't nothing. I'm ordering all that new, man. I got a little excited. Anyway, she running real good. I'm happy with it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this motor or not. I want to shout out to Kevin Morano as well. Thanks, bro, for the opportunity to grab this for that, what you gave it to me for. I wanted to get it on 6S, but it ain't gonna happen, so y'all stay tuned, man. We'll get this back out soon.